What if I told you that you can play Nintendo Wii games on your iPhone or iPad right now? With no computer, no JIT activation, and no complicated setup? And yes, this is one of the newest ways to run Wii games directly on iOS using Fin Emulator. And today, I'm going to show you Fin Emulator, a Wii emulator for iPhone that doesn't require a computer, no JIT, and no sideloading tools. Just install it, open it, import your games, and start playing with no time limits or extra setup. Let's get started right now. First, let's install Fin Emulator. Go to the App Store, then search for Fin Game Emulator. You can also check the direct App Store link in the description or pinned comment below to make it easier. Once you find it, tap Get and install the app on your iPhone or iPad. Once Fin Emulator is opened, the next step is to import your Nintendo Wii games. You can do this by tapping the plus button inside the emulator, then browse your Files app and select your Wii game file. You can also manually move your game files into the Fin Emulator folder on your iPhone using the Files app. After that, return to the emulator, and your game should appear automatically in the library. Once the artwork or game title shows up, that means everything is ready. Once your game is loaded, you can now start playing Nintendo Wii games directly on your iPhone or iPad. Simply tap the game from your library, wait a few seconds for it to boot, and the game should launch inside Fin Emulator. From there, you can use the touchscreen controls on screen or connect a Bluetooth controller for a much better gaming experience. As you can see, everything runs directly on iOS with no extra setup, no computer connection, no JIT activation, and no additional sideloading tools required. Just install the app from the App Store, import your Wii games, adjust your settings, and start playing anytime you want. You can also save your progress, return later, and continue your games whenever you like. For many users, this is one of the easiest and cleanest ways to enjoy Nintendo Wii games on iPhone in 2026. Now let's talk about the most important part for smooth gameplay, which is the CPU and video settings. If you want a better performance experience, I recommend adjusting these settings to match the setup I'm showing on screen. My settings are focused on improving speed, reducing lag, and making Nintendo Wii games run smoother on iPhone. For heavier games, lowering some graphics options can help increase FPS and reduce stuttering. For lighter games, you may be able to raise the graphics quality for better visuals while still keeping smooth performance. I'll also show you some reference settings shared by the Fin Emulator Discord community, where users test different Nintendo Wii games and share the best setup for each title. So if one game doesn't run perfectly, don't worry, you can tweak CPU and video settings until it feels right. Every device is different, so testing a few options can give you the best balance between graphics and performance. So overall, Fin Emulator is one of the easiest ways to play Nintendo Wii games on iPhone and iPad in 2026. You don't need a computer, no JIT setup, and no complicated sideloading process. If you want even better performance, make sure to test the CPU and video settings and check the Fin Emulator Discord community for game-specific recommendations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what Nintendo Wii game you want to play first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.